Next, let us go to a problem which is related with integer type. That is, show that the number of combinations of n letters out of 3n letters, of which n are a's and n are b's and rest are unequal, is n plus 2 into 2 to the power of n minus 1. Well, here we'll go to the solution of this problem, that is given as, say, the n number of a's and n number of b's, or n number of a's and n number of b's can be combined in the order, can be combined as 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n. This is for n a's, and same 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n for n b's. Well, each of the rest n letters can be, where each of rest n letters can be combined with 0 or 1. Therefore, the required number of combinations would become is equals to coefficient of x to the power of n in the expansion of 1 plus x square plus so on plus x power n, that is for this, and another 1 plus x square plus so on plus x power n, that is for this, into 1 plus x is multiplied here n number of times. So therefore that is equals to coefficient of x power n in these expansions. If I multiply and divide by 1 minus x here, 1 minus x to the power of n plus 1 whole rise power 2 into 1 plus x is multiplied n times, and similarly 1 minus x, as it is multiplied twice, will get it divided, so let it be minus 2. So we'll find the coefficient of x power n in this expansion. But here 1 minus x power n plus 1 whole square, this will not contain x power n term, implies 1 minus x to the power of n plus 1 whole square, this cannot contain x power n term. So therefore what we have is coefficient of x power n in 1 plus x power n into 1 minus x power minus 2 is equals to the coefficient of x power n in the expansion. If I rewrite this one as 2 minus 1 minus x power whole power n into 1 minus x power minus 2. On simplifying, this will become the coefficient of x power n in the expansion will become 2 power n into 1 minus x power minus 2 minus nc1 into 2 to the power of n minus 1 into 1 minus x power 0 minus so on plus minus 1 whole power n into ncn into 1 minus x to the power of n minus 2, which is equals to coefficient of x power n in 2 power n into 1 minus x to the power of minus 2 minus n into 2 power n minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power of minus 1. So therefore finally we can conclude that it is 2 to the power of n into coefficient of x power n is factorial n plus 1 by factorial n minus here n into 2 to the power of n minus 1, and in this quotient of x power n is 1. So finally if you can simplify it, become 2 power n into n plus 1 minus n into 2 power n minus 1. Therefore this can be written as 2 power n minus 1 as n plus 2. So finally the coefficient of x power n in the expansion we have got is 2 power n minus 1 n plus 2. Therefore here what we had is, the question is the number of combinations of n letters out of which 3n letters, of which n a's and n b's and rest are unequal, is shown to be n plus 2 into 2 power n minus 1. So therefore we can write the required number of combinations. The required number of combinations will become n plus 2 times 2 power n minus 1 is proved for the given n number of a's, n number of b's and the rest n number of things are unequal is n plus 2 into 2 power n minus 1.